Hey, how's it going out there? So I traded my friend a couple fish for this taco, just to show you how I like to make my version of takoyaki. Hopefully, at this point, you know how to cook and prepare octopus. So in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of buttermilk pancake mix. Just trust me on this one. Add 1 large egg. Then lightly season with some salt and black pepper. And a couple tablespoons of soy sauce. Now pour in a cup of cold water and mix it up until the lumps are gone. This will be the first time trying out this hot plate, and I've never attempted a dozen before. First, spray some pan cooking oil. Then you can start pouring in your batter up to the rim. Quickly drop small pieces of tentacles as centered as you can manage. Then garnish with green onions. And for the crunch factor, I like French fried onions instead of tempura bits. The salty contrast is great. In the past, I've made this following the recipe on the takoyaki flour packages in the Asian food aisle, but to be honest, it always comes out dense and doughy, and I can kind of taste the flour. So finally I figured out that the best batter, in my opinion, where it'll come out pillowy and moist in the center while still having that crispy outer exterior, is with pancake batter. By the way, if the hot plate moves around, it's going to make things difficult. So notes for next time. Also, it's a good idea to not attempt to make so many at once, but then again, you gotta go for it sometimes and roll with the punches. Takoyaki isn't the easiest thing to make, and everybody messes up, so don't feel bad. That's why I kept this hot take in here. I could have made a second batch and reshot everything, but it is what it is. I have here okonomiyaki sauce, which is pretty much the same as takoyaki sauce. Standard toppings, usually katsuoboshi, dried bonito, and more green onions. And maybe some kewpie Japanese mayo if you have it. Anyways, let me know in the comments if you try this recipe out, and until next dive.